My name is Sarah, and I'm the founder of Socious. Socious is a talent marketplace that makes impact work accessible and transparent. To illustrate how we are doing this, I want to share a story of Lawrence, a software engineer with a passion for contributing to social and environmental causes. Through our platform, we matched Lawrence with an edtech startup where he can contribute to social cause and advance his career. He receives a fair salary, which is protected by escrow smart contracts. We make Lawrence's impact transparent and traceable by recording his contributions on the blockchain using a Tala Prism. Based on this verified impact, he can receive rewards. Until now, more than 4,000 professionals like Lawrence joined our movement, and the vast majority of them are new to the Cardano ecosystem. For Fund10, we've submitted 5 separate proposals to improve the product. All of our projects are open source. For this presentation, I will focus on the proposal work history as verifiable credentials. According to a survey, 55% of respondents lie on their CVs. However, detecting fraudulent CVs is difficult, and hiring a background check agency is expensive. That's why we propose to record work history as verifiable credentials. With this solution, we can streamline the hiring process and prevent CV fraud. The process is simple. First, organizations must be verified to issue work certificates as VCs. Then Lawrence can request his employers to issue his work certificates as VCs. Once the organizations issue the work certificates, potential employers can verify their authenticity without hiring background check agencies. If these jobs are impact related, Lawrence can also receive rewards from Socious for his contributions. In terms of the benefits for the Cardano ecosystem, in the short term, Cardano community members can benefit from the platform. And in the long term, we can attract more people to the Cardano ecosystem. We've already introduced Cardano to 4,000 users. We aim to increase this number to 10,000 by the end of the project. We have an experienced global team to execute this plan. I have more than 15 years of experience in the sector and successfully exited a social venture before. We have engineers and designers who have built products that are loved by millions of users. We've also successfully completed 5 Catalyst projects. Please vote for Socious. With your support, we can give everyone the chance to make a difference. Thank you.